Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be unboxing the Canon R5 mirrorless camera, and we'll also give my first impression on it. So here we have the manual for the camera, which I think most of the users don't read. Let's just put it one side. Next we have the new battery here from Canon, which is the LP-E6NH, which is, I think this is a higher powered battery. Good thing is it's the same form factor as the old LP-E6 batteries. And we have the battery charger. And this is the new USB-C to USB-C wire. I believe you can charge this battery while it's in the camera, and maybe you can run the camera on USB as well. The normal AC cable for this charger. Here we have the Canon R5 camera strap. And now this is what we've been waiting for, the Canon R5 camera itself. So it feels very small in the hand, and the grip is quite comfortable, I would say. Got the on and off button here, and different modes. So Canon has removed the multi-function bar like the one on the EOS R and replaced it with the joystick, which is similar to the 5D Mark IV. So that's good news. The articulated screen, which was first introduced in the Canon EOS R, is quite good. We have the two card slots, one for CF Express and the second one is for the SD card, so it supports UHS 2. And in the front we have the depth of field preview button and the flash sync port. On the side here we've got another flash sync port, then we've got the mic and headphone jack. Yep. And then just next to it we have the USB-C and the mini HDMI. At the bottom here we've got the battery, where the battery goes, and that's good. So it's got a slot for adding a dummy battery. That'll be good for my crane. Okay, so you can remove the battery door, and this will be useful to add a grip on this camera. And there you go, the Canon R5 camera. Really excited. It feels very small and very compact. So really looking forward to using it in weddings on my camera crane. So let's see how it goes. I'll be posting more videos about this camera, so do subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you get all my future videos. So there we have it, the unboxing and the first impression of the Canon R5 camera. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Do let me know if you have recently bought this camera in the comment section down below and what you like about it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.